I get business owners texting me back saying yes before I even pick up the phone to call them. And it's not a trick, it's not a bot, it's a 2-line text message and a very specific list. Let me show you exactly how it works. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Balint, and right now I'm traveling Europe with my wife and 2.5-year-old while running a $30,000 a month agency I built from the ground up in just 2 years with a cell phone and a laptop. No ads, no Zoom meetings, no team. And here's exactly how I find the people I call. The cold call and cold SMS list. I use paid list services to pull contact data for home service businesses. Plumbers, roofers, HVAC companies, electricians, and contractors. The reason I stick to home service is simple. These businesses always need more customers, no matter what's happening in the economy. People will always fix a broken water heater. They'll always need their AC repaired. It's recession proof. Now here's the part most people skip, and it makes a massive difference. Once I have my list, I run every number through a landline remover. What that does is strip out all the landline numbers and leaves me with only cell phone numbers. And why does that matter? Because cell phone numbers belong to the business owner, not the front desk, not the office manager, the actual decision maker. So when I dial, I'm almost always talking directly to the person who can say yes. Cold SMS. Same process for building the list, but a completely separate list from my cold calls. I'll never text someone I already called, and I'll never call someone I already texted. They say separated. The text itself is simple. I offer 25 free Google reviews just for feedback, and then I ask one question. Is it okay if I call you tomorrow? That's it. No links, no pitches, no wall of text. It's a short message and a yes or no question. And here's where it gets smart. I don't book a time. I don't send a calendar link. I don't set an appointment. I just call them the next day. And because there's no set time, they can't avoid it. No appointment reminders to ignore, no Zoom meeting link to forget about, no excuse to reschedule. I just call. And when they pick up, they pretty much have to listen because they already said yes. They already told me they were interested in 25 free reviews. So now I'm not a cold caller anymore. I'm the guy they said yes to yesterday. The conversation starts warm. I run the exact same framework from there. Facebook groups and Nextdoor. This is a completely different approach, and it works incredibly well. Instead of leading with reviews, I lead with a free website. I have an AI site builder that costs me next to nothing and takes me about 2 minutes to build a full 15-page SEO website for any local business. Here's what I do. I make a post on local Facebook groups or on Nextdoor, something like, I'm building free websites for 2 local plumbing companies, no catch, you own the site files. Just looking for feedback. That's it. The leads come to me. And here's where it gets interesting. I send the site over with a temporary domain that expires in 7 days. So now they have a real website sitting in front of them and a clock ticking. That creates genuine urgency without me having to manufacture any fake deadlines. The urgency is real because the domain actually expires. And what happens next is the best part. They start asking questions. How do I keep this? Can you add my logo? Can you change the colors? Every question is a conversation, and every conversation is an opportunity to close. From a free website, it's a natural upsell into reviews, local SEO, the whole thing. One conversation, multiple revenue streams. So to recap, cold calls and SMS with a scrubbed cell phone list for outbound, Facebook groups and Nextdoor with a free website for inbound. 2 completely different entry points, same outcome, and a conversation with the business owner who needs what you have. The reason this works is you're never cold in either scenario. On the phone, you have their number because they're a home service business and you already know what their problem is before you dial. On Facebook or Nextdoor, you've already done something for them before you ask for anything. You've shown up with value first. If you want the full system, the scripts, the snapshots, the lead magnets, all of it, it's all inside my community. You also get 2 live calls a week with me, and you can get access completely free. Link is down below, and I'll see you on the calls.